27 degrees, feels like 16. Yeah, it's a good day to come out and film a video, sure. Today I'm going to share with you an excellent exercise for correcting lip form. So lip form is a huge principle of the tropic premise. Essentially, the lips should be sealed at rest, lightly sealed, not like smashed like that or you know, hanging lightly open. Just they're supposed to be lightly sealed at rest. So a big exercise that I like to use to correct lip form is actually a reverse engineered test provided by Dr. John Mew. Dr. John Mew, to see if his orthotropic patients, if they had a good lip form, to judge the quality of their lip form, he would have them count slowly from 1 to 6. And counting slowly from 1 to 6, like 1, 2, 3, and so on. What he would notice is that these patients who appeared to have good lip form initially didn't have as good a lip form as they appeared to have, because this test really exposed how bad their lip form was. So the exercise essentially is this. You can practice as many times as you want a day. Stand in front of a mirror, and you want to count slowly from 1 to 6, and watch your lips. Make sure your lips are coming together in between each number. Are you keeping your lips together? Lip form is an essential part of mewing. The lips need to be kept together. How am I going to do this? This is so funny.